Good morning, afternoon, evening, friends and family, loved ones. This is your friend Kelly. I'm just going to do a quick swap out. Most of you probably know what this is. This is Metal Complex's Excalibur, and I'm one of the original batches that came out that the original clip on it was very sharp, and yes, you do see a plain old wire clip. I put that on because I did not like the sharpness of the other clip. I contacted Kunwu to begin with, and they pretty much told me I had to buy another one, and they showed me the ones that I had as options to buy. And that kind of honestly irritated me, and a friend of mine went to the Blade Show, and I guess, I don't know if it was Serge that he talked to or somebody else at the Kunwu booth, said, you know, a friend of mine bought the Excalibur that had the sharp edge on the thing and was told that it would be taken care of, but they said that she had to buy it if she wanted a replacement. And he goes, no, 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 have her contact again and say it will be taken care of. And I contacted him back again with a nice little email that pretty much just said, you know, maybe my definition of being taken care of and your guys' definition of being taken care of is two different things. And needless to say, they actually did send me out one at no cost to replace. And like I said, I put the wire clip on it, and I did tell them, and it's a T8, just to let you know, that one of the things that I can be quite particular, and if people don't do me good, I will stop buying from them, and I will stop purchasing stuff and eventually get rid of items that I have of theirs. We've done it before and we will do it again. I'm not sure. I think that's the DLC. Let's see what they sent me. I know it's a regular. I hate these little bags. And a black one, but I think it might be more to match the screw, the clip, instead of being a shiny DLC. Well, no. Yep, the screws are different that they gave us. Let's see if this is a T8. Yes, this is. So I will definitely use the screw that they sent with it. And is it actually going in or not? Yeah. There it goes. And is it as pretty as the Damascus clip that it came with? No. But it feels so much better, because I think the issue with the other clip is it was so short, and where it was hitting on the hand and it was a little bit sharper edge, it was just a bad combination of items. So that, yes, that is so much better. Definitely keeping that. Okay, that was just, I figured that would be a good little thing to show, and since I will put that screw in, and actually we'll mark it original Damascus screw. And when I get my box out, I'll put this stuff in with it, so that way I keep everything together that came together. Alrighty guys, that's it for right now. I'm sure I'll do another video here soon. Thank you. You have a wonderful day. Many hugs, many kisses, much love. Your friend Kelly. Bye-bye.